अरे कौन बोला कि मैं मर गया हूँ? एसीपी अभी जिंदा है। कुछ तो गड़बड़ है। दया
ए दया नहीं, मैडी।
दया, ये इतना हरा कलर डाल दिया, फिर भी ये सफेद चीज हरी क्यों नहीं हो रही है? इसका मतलब है ये कुछ और ही पक रहा है। दया, दरवाजा तोड़ दो।
UMeAndCooking episode 1.2.
Today we are celebrating India's 79th Republic Day. So happy Republic Day to you all. Today we are going to make til chikki. And since we are celebrating India's 79th Republic Day, I'm going to color that chikki with tricolor teals. Yeah, I like to just take on challenges and excel at them. So, without any further ado, let's get started with our til chikki. In case you're new here, my name is Czzlina. Hey, where's Czzlina? Who are these two guys? He is Appu. And who is he? He is Maddie from Tatataratarata Circus, Madagascar.
अरे किती बडबडती र ही बाई, काम चालू कर र बाबा.
My mouth is so swollen by sitting here and smelling so many dishes. ACP sir, अब हम ये केस सॉल्व करेंगे. And in this pan, we are going to add 1 cup of jaggery powder. Why are we using powdered jaggery? Because it's going to melt soon. जर तुम्हाला जॅगरीचे म्हणजे गुळाचे खडे वापरायचे असतील ना, खुशाल वापरा. And if you are on diet, may Lord help you.
तर काय सणासुदीला थोडंसं चालते ना, मग थोडं 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 करून डाएटचा सगळा पट्टा बोळ होतो. मग थोडंसं खाल्लं की थोडंसं वाटते, मग परत कमी करा, परत वाढणार, कमी करा. हे डाएटवाल्यांचं असंच असते.
I'm going to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 tablespoons of water. And why is like that for the people who are on diet? Because your fat cells stays in your body for 10 years. So if you are doing the commitment of going on diet, then you better stick to it for 10 years and more until you don't leave this earth. See, everybody just says melt the jaggery until soft ball layer, soft ball layer, soft ball layer. Well, we are going to find out if that really works or not. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to reach the soft ball layer right in front of you guys right here, and I'm going to tell you exactly for how long you have to cook your jaggery syrup, because nobody else tells you. I don't think it's at soft ball stage. It's definitely at old ball stage. It is. And we have to cook it for all eternity. Lage raho, cook bhai. I mean, cook Ben. Then again, I'm cooking this syrup on extremely low flame. Extremely low flame is only 100 degrees Celsius hot, as if my induction is completely off. So perhaps it's time to check it for that old bowl, I mean soft bowl stage. What we're going to do, we are going to add water in this very transparent bowl. You guys should be able to see what I'm cooking here. I think it is at that old bowl. So dropped it in. Let me just keep it like this, and you should be able to make a soft bowl with it. No, I am not. It's not making a perfect bowl, but it is making something. So this is a old bowl, I mean soft bowl stage. I'm going to turn it off because it boiled a lot. So let me just drop one more bowl before calling it a day.
काय काय करावं लागते ना जेवण बनवायला हं?
Okay, so this is soft bowl and it is firm bowl too. So I guess Jaggery Syrup is done.
So it is a much firmer ball which is not at all falling off of my finger.
Let's add 3/4 of coconut in it.
Why did I leave this much desiccated coconut aside?
That's a mystery, guys.
ऐसे सारे राज खोल नहीं देना, थोड़े राज छुपा के भी रखना.
I bet you $100 she can't do it.
ये अलग अलग डिशेस में हल करके मेरा नाक के बाल जल गए. मेरे को मेडागास्कर को वापस जाना रे बाबा.
We are going to add this 1/3 of roasted sesame seeds in it. Then all of our roasted and crushed peanuts, well powdered peanuts at this point. See, if your jaggery syrup is properly done, then you don't need to cook all of your ingredients which are already roasted and blended in it. You can simply just mix it on no flame. Not even low flame, no flame. It is forming a proper bowl, so let me not waste any more time. And I am going to add the half of the mixture.
हे म्हणजे नाकापेक्षा मोती जड है ना.
The mixture is hot, so please use water to wet your finger in order to avoid the burning hazard. Since the sugar syrup is perfectly cooked, the dish came together very quickly. By the time I'm going to run around to find another smaller bowl, the mixture is going to be hot. And I think that it's not going to be so hot because I literally added crushed शेंगदाण्याचं कूट.
नुसताच खायला आला, पदार्थ बनवायला मदत नाही करणार. चल फुट. See, I don't need a divider at all. I'm a natural artist.
अरे इतना सही टैलेंट नहीं मुझ में, अभी तो मेरा जलवा बाकी है. Why am I cooking all of these dishes for the first time? Because one should know how to feed themselves.
नुसतं आईच्या समोरच नाही आये आये भूक लागली आये असं बोंबलत नाही राहायचं. हं स्वतःचं जेवण बनवायला शिकायचं.
I was able to make a flagship out of it. This is my flagship. And what I'm going to do with the rest of the sesame seeds, I'm going to make a spin-off series of your most favorite dish.
You just have to see in the future.
I'm going to refrigerate this chikki overnight.
Bye mana chikkila, bye.
So as you can see clearly, our chikki is set overnight, and what I'm going to do is try to gently loosen it from sides. It just needed a little push. We have successfully finished our Tricolor Chikki, and it's time for Tricolor Chikki Patriotic Rhyme. आज आपण बनवली तीळ चिक्की. ही चिक्की घरी बनवून पहा नक्की. आणि क्रिकेटच्या मैदानात आपण उतरलो की भारताची जीत पक्की. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to UMeAndCooking. See you next time. इस एपिसोड हमने तिल को हरा भरा कर दिया और हरा हरा लेयर भी बना दिया.